If you want to add fingerprint on POCO M8 Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down until you find Fingerprints, Face Data, and Screen Lock. In order to set up the fingerprint sensor, you need to have Screen Lock enabled, so you need to create a password for your phone. Once you have it, we can go ahead and choose Fingerprint Unlock. You will have to enter the Screen Lock password in order to continue. We have a screen protector tip, which just says that screen protectors may interfere with the screen fingerprint recognition. Now over here at the bottom we have the sensor, so we need to touch it with the finger that we want to scan. There we go, and then lift your finger. So once you touch it, lift your finger afterwards, and you want to do this a couple of times until this whole fingerprint icon fills in the blue color. And you want to scan your finger from different angles, different positions. There we go. So that, of course, in the future, you don't have any issues with unlocking your phone. So try to scan it from every angle. You can also, of course, scan the tip as well of your finger. And there we go. Once it is done, you can just simply tap on Done at the bottom of the screen. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.